What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, Think Magazine, Put in the Geek, and today we are taking a look at this. This is the Urban Samurai eyewear. I just got them in today, and we're going to put them on for the first time. Check it out. We're going to do that next on Geekazine. What's up, my geeks? Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine, Think Magazine, Put in the Geek. You got me. We got the Urban Samurai eyewear. This is gaming eyewear. This is glasses for gaming. Before we get this unboxed, I do have to say that they did send me product to review. There is no sponsorship involved. All opinions are of Geekazine. You can go over to geekazine.com/review to find out all the information on that. And if you'd like to have your product reviewed, all you have to do is contact me and we can get that in studio to check it all out. This is the Urban Samurai eyewear. They come in two different versions. There's what's called the Ronin, and then there's what's called the Katana. And there's kind of a unique thing about this, and that is if you're a gamer, these glasses will help in your gaming. So as you can see, I wear glasses, and if I'm gaming, I usually have the headset on. So nice big 50 millimeter can headset. You notice, you see what's happening here. These bows are going right into the headset and wrapping around my ear. Of course, after time, you got to adjust the glasses. This is the worst part about these, is if I have to clean off my glasses or whatnot, then I put them back on. It takes a little time to get everything readjusted to go from there. And I think this is where these Ronins and Katanas are going, because they have a very interesting bow structure to them. And so what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and check this out and wear them for the first time. And the best part is they did send me prescription glasses, so I'll be able to actually see you as I do this. They also have blue light filters on them. If you're any type of Twitch gamer or anything like that, this is going to be perfect. Let's get this unboxed. Let's open this up. All right, what we got here, it starts out basically just some documentation right there. We got a nice little poster right here of, I guess this would be an Urban Samurai. I don't know. And then it looks like they got me some cool swag here. So we got a little stress ball. Looks like some sort of kind of the Darth Vader, but I think this is more looking like the Urban Samurai, which is awesome. Got a nice little hat. So I don't think the hat's going to work with the headset here. Let's just do this. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. So it's a nice little hat right there. Got some stickers for Urban Samurai. Thank you guys very, very much for that, including the Urban Samurai. And one more sticker here. And of course, the glasses right here. So let's go ahead and we can go like that. So let's go ahead and open this up. There we are. So we got something in here, a little piece of paper. How to use the Urban Samurai microfiber headband. Oh, that's interesting. Add some more to the swag here. Get that out of the way. So nice little protective carrying case for your glasses. We'll zip that right open. There we go. We got the glasses right here. We got that microfiber headband. And then this, well, what this is, if the glass bow is too low, these will raise them up a little bit. So those are the three things right there. Gotta try that. Gotta try the headband first. Got to try headband first. Let's do that. So it cleans your glasses and then turns around and you can wear it like a headband. So go like this, get it in the right direction. I'm not a big fan of headbands, but hey, why not? Let's put these back on. There we go. Look at that. It's pretty sweet. All right, let's take a look at the glasses. With these glasses, and it looks like we have the glasses and we have about magnetic shades. So we'll pull that out right there. So yeah, magnetic shades. That'll click right on the glasses, just like so. Fairly easy. Let's take a look at these glasses really quick. So you can see right away that these bows are a little bit different. So we'll pop this like this. You'll see the bow. This is the standard bow that would go to your ear, but it's taking a tangent and going up, and it's probably going to go over speakers. So with that said, with that done, let's go ahead and take off my regular glasses. And like I said, these should be prescription. Yes, they are. Look at that. And bit of adjustment here. I think I need to have those little pads in there. So there we go. I got them on, and of course they're kind of pushing in on the headset, but they're not wrapped around my ear at all. So I can use this for gaming. I can definitely see you back and forth, and they do have the blue light to them. I think that I'm looking at, you can see the light in here, as opposed to if I use my regular glasses. Let's put these back on. Yeah, there's the light right there. So you can see it's kind of a blue-green. That's the tint for the screen protection, so it's protecting your eyes for long periods of gaming. I want to have these up a little bit higher, so I'm definitely going to use those pads to put from there because they fall down a little bit. And there we go. That's the glasses. Let's take a look at it from the side here. As you can see, that's that smaller bow. Let me take off the headset so you see what's going on here. That's the smaller part of the bow, and then that's the bigger part. It does not go down to the ear. Don't do it like that. You want to have these up. So even with the headband on, I probably want to do this a little bit. Bring these in. So it does not rest on the ear at all. It rests from there. With this, how do I look? Do I look like a gamer? Do I look pretty cool or whatnot? I don't know. Let's go ahead and add the shades part of it. It's all magnetic. So now I put these on, and now I can put on my whatever brand of headphones I choose, and I'm ready to game. I'm ready to play music. I'm ready to do whatever I'm gonna do with these Urban Samurais. I'm not sure if you're moving around, they might I don't know how well they work from there, because usually the bows are holding on through the ear, so I don't know if they're gonna slip, especially when I start to sweat. If I'm sitting there, just having fun playing a game or talking to you guys on the live stream or on a video, pretty cool. What do you think? I'm using these with the pads on. Actually, this is working better for me because of the optics of my prescription. So these little pads are definitely worth the addition. They're little stickies. Eventually, they're going to start to slide off. So they did come with 2 pair, and you just basically have to peel off the paper and stick them to the bridge of the glasses. Urban Samurai. Like I said, they have 2 different models. They have the Katana model, and then they have the Ronin. This is the Ronin. I'd like to thank Urban Samurai for sending these, and we'll definitely play some games, test it out. I also have bifocals, so I look down and I can't really read that. So that's what happens when you get older, grow a beard, you get bifocals. That's how it works. So anyway, that's it. These are the Urban Samurai Ronin glasses. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, you guys, geek out.